Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. This time is The Italian Unbox It. Oh my god! I am so excited. I cannot wait. We went out shopping and I saw this and I just could not resist. It just looked too cute. And also it brought me back to when I was young and I had a Polaroid and you just stood there for half an hour shaking the photo and waiting for that to come out. Well, I think I'm going to be taken back in time. I have got an obsession with like little cute cameras and different style cameras, and so this is not the first one. I've got Instax and I've got an Instax printer and I've got a sprocket, and this is gonna be the addition to my collection. Oh my god, but let's open it, let's have a look, because I cannot wait any longer. Let's open it. Look at me, professional with a little knife. Ooh. Oh. Oh, here it is. Oh my god, it's so cute. And you've got the charger. Oh, it's the little strap. It's the little strap. It's, oh, isn't it adorable? Oh my god. Oh, this is just adorable. Oh, it's the cutest thing. I didn't hold it in the shop, but I'm holding it now. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it brings back memories. Brings back memories. And you've got the little instructions. Oh, so cute. Oh, what are these? Little stickers. Oh my god, the stickers. It comes with the little stickers. So cute and adorable. So I wonder if it's charged or not. Oh, it's even got a count of the photos. Oh, and this is where they go, Oh my giddy god. Well, what's gonna happen now is I have got a pack of 16 photos. Apparently this is gonna be the size that they're gonna be at. It's gonna be this big. So cute. I'm gonna put it on charge and we're due to go out again, so I'm gonna take it with me and let's have a look at the quality of the photos. Oh, it's just adorable. It's just the cutest thing ever. Oh, I love it. I don't care if the photos are not right, but it's that. Oh my god, it's amazing. I love it. Oh, so cute. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So I'm gonna go out, take some photos, come back and show you what the results are and see what the quality is like. And so bear with me. after my photographic adventure. I cannot wait to show you the photos. I'm so excited. And here they are. These are just some of them. Look at the cuteness of these little things. Look at that. Oh, so adorable. I went out in Portsmouth and I took some photos of the local art, street art, and there was a little winter wonderland village, and I took some photos there because there was loads of colors and lights, so I thought it was perfect to try out how the Polaroid Go would perform. What I'm going to do, I'm going to talk to you about the features of the camera and what worked and what I struggled with. One of the features that the Polaroid Go has is the double exposure. Oh my God, I was so excited when I found out about the double exposure. And all you do, this is your flash button, you press it twice and it activates the double exposure. You point and shoot at the first photo that you want to take, and then you point and shoot at the photo that you want to overlap with, and off you go. You've got your double exposure photo. And this is my result. I really like it. And I took a photo. This is a statue in Gunworth Quay, and it's about the future of Portsmouth. And there's a boy at the front of the statue that represents the future of the town, and at the back there's the Royal Yacht Britannia, which represents Portsmouth. And I took the photo of the boy first, and then I took the photo of the point of the Royal Yacht Britannia. And I think it came out really, really well. And as I said, it was an overcast day, so I think that played in my favour without any hard shadows. And I'm really pleased with the result. I hope you like it. I hope you think it came out okay. What I struggled a little bit with is the viewfinder, but it's nothing impossible. You just need to get used to framing in a certain way. So what I mean is that the viewfinder shows you less than what is going to be on the photo. So you need to bear that in mind to trying to frame your photos correctly. Like, for example, this is the first photo that I took. And as you can see, the subject, the artwork has got too much surrounding around it. So I should have been closer and frame it more within the viewfinder. And also, it was another problem with this. I think this came out really well. I like the colors and I like the softness, but I think the photo just turned up overexposed because of the light at the back showing between, like, on either side of the building. So that could have been better, and is a photo that I would love to go back and take, so I will do that. And then we've got, this one has got amazing colors, and I should have framed it again a little bit better, but this was undercover, so it was a little bit difficult to frame it correctly. And this one was just perfect, as in, I know it looks like I've cut the head off, but it's because this is painted on the back of a van, and the van is very faded because it's quite an old van, and I got rid of the edges of the van, and that is the actual painting. So I'm really pleased with this, and I managed to get in everything that I wanted to. Then I took a photo of the carousel, which worked really, really well. And I think the reason why the carousel worked really well is because of all the lights and the bright colors. And if you can see it, it came out spot on. It's just so charming and so cute. I absolutely love it. So I was very happy with that. Another photo that I thought worked really well is of this candy little hut. And oh, it's just so cute. And I think the light on the buildings behind it helped to give it that soft and quite dreamy look. And I absolutely love it. I think it came out really, really well. Then I tried to take a photo of like a candy stand. Um, but I was quite far away and the light meter is not brilliant. So what it did, it concentrated on the lights, hence everything else turned out dark. It's not too bad, but it's a limitation that the camera has. So it works better with close-ups and colors, um, but not so good when you're too far away. And also, the flash wouldn't have been powerful enough to reach the distance. The photos, they say that they develop in about 15 to 30 minutes. But what I found out that although after 15 to 30 minutes you can see what you've taken the photo of, if you leave it like for a day or just a little bit longer, the photo develops even more, and then you see better results. The colors become richer and you get a better idea of what the photo that you've got. You're meant to keep them in the dark to develop, so make sure you just keep it in the dark for at least 30 minutes, and then you'll see the photo mature with the time. Using the Polaroid Go was so much fun. Yes, it's a simple camera, it's got its limitations, but oh my God, it was fun. It was fun thinking about trying to work out how the viewfinder worked, what I could frame, and then when I saw the photos, working out what worked and what didn't, how the colors came out, and then it can give you some ideas. It's like the dreamy effect that you can get. You know that if there's quite a bit of light coming through, that's what you can get. So you can adjust what you want to take a picture of that way. You can start recognizing what the camera can and cannot do, what you can cope with and what you cannot cope with, and work with that and just take some amazing photos. So for me, this is a winner. I absolutely love it, with the addition of the double exposure. So easy. Tap the flash button twice and you've got the double exposure. Take the first photo and then take the second photo, and what comes out is your double exposure photo. Or you can press and hold the flash button and you've got a timer. So you can take a selfie, or you can, if it's like a tricky position or a tricky photo that you would like to do, use the timer. And also you've got on the viewfinder, there's like a little mirror so you can see yourself if you want to take a selfie, if you really must. I'm not a great fan, but whatever you want to do. This camera has brought back so many good memories for me of when I was really young and I had a Polaroid, and I was laughing with my husband about what you needed to do and how the photos turn up. And obviously at the time I did not have a clue about photography, so you can imagine that the photos were not brilliant. But it was a time where it was amazing having a camera that instantly prints out what you've taken a photo of. So it was very exciting, and for me it still is. It still is. It gives me the same buzz. It's brilliant. If you're really into your photography or you're very curious and you're creative, I think this camera is for you. And the more you use it, the more you learn and the better your photos will get. Is it a tiny wonder or a big mistake? I think it's a tiny wonder. I absolutely love it. I loved using it. It's so much fun. Yes, it is challenging, but if you don't challenge yourself, you're never going to get anywhere. So it's a lovely bit of kit that is going to give you more possibilities on your artistic flair and the photos that you want to take. So for me, this overall is a winner. I love it, and I cannot wait to take it out again and try it in different conditions and just experiment with it and see what else I can do. So if you like this video, why not subscribe and hit the bell? And also, if you liked it, why not give us the thumbs up? that will really help the channel. But thank you so much for watching, and to more creative ideas. Take care for now. Bye bye.